You're actually
maybe.
gonna clean it?
I'm gonna read everything.
I'm scared. I'm scared of heights. I forgot to mention that. Oh!
What is it? Ah! Oh, it's so pretty.
You want to record? I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Bye. I don't want to record! YouTube. What about that?
Sunyan. Guys. Bro, our dog pooped. Brother. Our dog pooped in the house. My ugly dog.
Oh!
Boy, that shit ain't gonna go anywhere. Oh, did you see that one was in the corner?
I was gonna do my hair clip, but nah. Do it later. I'll do it tonight. All nighter.
Mm-hmm.
Again or?
You hold it, don't hold it, hurting me.
Oh my god. I have to cover my ears because I don't know either.
There's a fireworks. You're like a sensitive nugget.
Also because I can.
That one's
He'll be here in a little bit.
Who? Whoa! Yeah, I zoom out a little bit. I should go closer.
Dad.
Ah! Shut up. Let's get on top of the, shut up.